Artificial intelligence is one of the defining challenges of our time, and Pope Leo XIV has made it clear that the Church must respond with wisdom and moral clarity. In his message for the World Day of Communications, the Holy Father warned that humanity must not allow technology, especially artificial intelligence, to obscure, exploit, or suppress human voices, needs, talents, creativity, and critical thinking abilities. He cautioned against a communication culture shaped by algorithms that reward knee-jerk emotions and superficial reactions, weakening our ability to listen deeply and think responsibly. The Pope wrote that preserving human faces and voices means preserving the indelible reflection of God's love in every person, reminding us that we are created in the image and likeness of God and that no machine, no matter how advanced, can replicate the dignity and uniqueness of the human person. He warned against a naively uncritical reliance on AI as an omniscient friend, a dispenser of all information, or an archive of all memory, stating that settling for artificial statistical compilations instead of personal reflection risks, eroding our cognitive, emotional, and communication skills, and ultimately weakens human responsibility. Pope Leo XIV also raised concerns about how digital technology can alter the way people communicate, creating bubbles of easy consensus and easy indignation that damage authentic dialogue and thoughtful engagement. He stressed that artificial intelligence cannot replace human creativity, imagination, or moral judgment, and that while it can assist in organizing information and supporting communication, humans must remain actively engaged in decision-making rather than their mental and ethical capacities to machines. The Holy Father further emphasized the urgent need for ethical governance of AI, insisting that technological development must go hand in hand with respect for human dignity, conscience, and freedom, and that AI systems should be guided by justice, solidarity, and genuine reverence for life. He also warned that access to vast amounts of data should never be confused with true intelligence, especially in the formation of young people, who must be taught critical thinking, moral responsibility, and disciplined use of technology rather than dependence on automated systems. Finally, Pope Leo XIV affirmed that while technological innovation springs from human creativity, a coordinated response from politics, education, business, and religious communities is necessary to ensure that artificial intelligence serves the common good and promotes peace, justice, and the integral development of every person. His message is clear. Artificial intelligence is not evil, but it must always remain a tool under responsible human guidance, because no algorithm, no machine, and no digital system can ever replace the sacred dignity of the human person created by God.